Good morning to you all, respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, different level coordinators, all of the teachers, loving juniors, and my dear friends. As today is our last assembly, I am here to present a short speech about the memories we made here. सासाना हातले किताब कापी समाएर खेल्ने साथीलाई छोडेर पढ्न भनी नयाँ साथीहरू बनाउन भनी शिक्षकबाट धेरै कुराहरू सिकेर एक असल व्यक्ति बनी फर्किने भनेर आमाको त्यो काग छोडेर यस विद्यालय छिरेको जस्तो लाग्छ। तर कति छिटो आज 13 वर्ष भइसक्यो। गरेर बितेका यी 13 वर्षमा हामीले सोचेर आएका भन्दा धेरै कुरा सिक्यौँ, धेरै कुरा हासिल गर्यौँ, धेरै माया प्राप्त गर्यौँ र धेरै सम्झनाहरू बनायौँ।
अतः विद्यालय जीवनको करिब 13 वर्ष सँगै बसेर आज यहाँबाट छुट्टिनु पर्दा हामीबाट भएका सम्पूर्ण त्रुटिप्रति क्षमा याचना गर्दै भविष्यमा पनि डायमन्डलाई डायमन्ड सरी चम्काउने कार्य गर्ने प्रण गर्दछ।
कुनामा तिम्रा ती शुभ कार्यको बयान लेख्दछु भावमा गुरुका सुन्दर ती सबै आवाज सम्पत्ति मेरा हुन् अर्तिर बुद्धि विवेकी वचन बिर्सनै गाह्रो छ को कति राम्रो कला गुरु नेपालीका उस्तै हाम्रा छन्दवादी गला प्रिन्सिपल सरको कक्षामा पढ्दा रमाइलो झाना माधव सरका प्रेरणाले सम्म अघि बढ्ने माना खुसी हुन्थ्यो गाडी सिक्दा हामी सुजन सरको साथमा पप्पु प्रोडक्सन हेरेरै हाँस्थ्यौ हात राखी माथामा अनिल सरको कमेडी पारा जीवनमा बिर्सिन्न कसको बिल्ला भो सुजन सरद्वारा कसैलाई थाहा हुन्न बेलामा भयो तिम्रो मेरो भेचाम धेरैमा मुस्कान उज्यालो नामे जुत्ताको हात अघि बढाइ हिँड्थ्यो खुसी कपाल त्यो पलमै विलिन भयो प्रयास गर्दैन।
I remember when I started journey when Premsa taught me success is bravery, the horror stories that made us care. When Raisa taught me overcome your fear, my childhood was awesome with care. When Ritu Miss smiled to stop my tear, how can I forget the love you Brasa gave? Like a father as a strength he said. तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
Really enjoyed studying here, and of course it's been a great journey. We'll never forget all the care and support given by
It seems like months when we joined our school with our parents holding our soft little hands. Those hands were again held by our now. When we are about to bid a goodbye, it feels too soon. Despite of all the hard work, sadness and grief in all the years, we stand at the end of it all with great achievements and beautiful memories.
We'll remember all those heartwarming memories, all those lies we've told to save our friends from punishments, all those names we gave ourselves, all about how we played on the computer without Yuvraj sir's consent, how we hid ourselves from Raisa during assemblies, the typical style of Principal Sir of mixing science with humor, and his best line being Allah Chapai Bandagal, and every other thing that we treasure in our hearts.
This school means a lot to us, and we will never forget it. It saddens us when we realize we won't be coming here again.
Happy today as we all will be moving a step ahead in our life, yet we are also sad for this will be the last way we'll spend with our teachers and friends. The feeling of being around them is great, but the pain of moving away is even greater. The time is finally ticking towards its end, and the time to deliver a happy ending to this amazing 13 years has arrived.
Gandhi said, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever." I hope you will all enjoy it here and learn more.
And before departing, we would again like to thank our teachers and school staff in giving us memories that will last forever. We will miss the good old days and the school itself. Wish you a successful and happy life ahead of you. Thank you all.
छोडी जानेलाई माया छ बिर्सी जानेलाई माया केवल तिमीसँग गाँसे दुःखमा आँसु लुकाइ हाँसे सम्झनाका लहरहरू मेरो मनमा हुने रहेछ टाढा टाढा तिमी गए पनि मेरो माया रहिरहन्छ सम्झना छ छोडी जानेलाई माया छ बिर्सी जानेलाई कहिले काहीँ शीतल बनेर कहिले तिम्रो धडकन बनेर कहिले धेरै मिठो याद बनेर यो मन यसै गुनगुनाउँछ। अपने कति तिमी आएनौ, वेदनामा गीत बनेर नगर।
Like the real diamond, we would like to depart from here. Thank you.